place with some hostels in it. Looks like we got a modernized elevator. Cerqueti. Cerqueti. Whoa. Universal elevator, interesting. That looks like a Schindler indicator. That's a knockoff of one. Yeah, that's a knockoff Schindler indicator. Does it even work as an indicator? I don't think it does. Can't see the motor room. That's a cool entryway for the elevator though. I like that. Oh, here, let me get a snapshot of that. I'm trying to get a good one where it's not. There we go. All right, back in. And you can just kind of see through the door a little bit. Probably about 150 feet per minute. Why does that look like the outline of like some old colonial person? I don't know. Anyway,